Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We are kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get a lot of PA weather, and you get a little bit of life in there. I sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is Sunday morning, the sun is shining. It is starting out cold at 41, but it's going to get up to 71 and sunny today. Yesterday was beautiful. It started out at 36. And then it ended up getting warm by 12:30-ish, and my friend and I were able to get in the pool for one last Saturday. The pool closes tomorrow. Ugh, it's like the saddest day of the year as far as weather goes for me. Anyway, so I'm hoping to get into the pool for a little bit today as well. So the temperatures just range crazy during this time of year. So I think this week is supposed to get to like Tuesday 77, Wednesday 78, and then it'll drop back down to like 50, I think, towards the end of the week. So probably a good time for me to finally just call it and close the pool. But I do have a rule where it has to be 6 months open, 6 months closed, so at least I'm getting my value out of it. Let's see. All right, so today I chose a comfy outfit, and since it's only in the 50s right now, I did put on long sleeves. This is a Z Supply outfit. I got these pieces from a JB Stylebox. They actually came in 2 different sets, but they match so well. So Z Supply shorts, this Z Supply little pullover, and then I don't have shoes on right now. If I do, I'm just putting on my Sanok flip-flops you've seen a million times. And for jewelry, I only put on gold hoops today because I have a video I want to try to get done for you guys. I have some housework to do, and then as I said, I'm trying to just get a few more hours, last minute hours in the pool today. All right, hope your week starts off fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. Finally getting to outfit of the day. It is almost 8 o'clock at night. It's been a day, it felt like Monday, and Wyatt and I are finally getting a moment to check in with you all. Let's see, my Stitch Fix posted today, and my keeper from that box was the cardigan, the black cardigan. The rest of them weren't really resonating well with me, so that was the keeper. For outfit of the day today, I have on a marine layer dress from a Stitch Fix. I got probably a year or 2 ago, paired back to a cut from the cloth denim jacket from a Trendsend, also from several years ago. Shoes you've seen before. These are my Dolce Vita from a Trendsend. And then for jewelry, I only have on hoops today. I had to go and have a few things removed at the dermatologist, so I'm got some nice little bandages there, but make sure you keep up with all of your maintenance appointments. All right, that's a wrap on Monday. I'm ready for a nap. Hope you're all doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a gorgeous day out here, beautiful. Of course, the pool closed yesterday. It's a done deal now, and it's gonna be 80 degrees today. I'm working, so it doesn't matter, but it is just gorgeous out here. I need to remember this because come the weekend, it's going to be cold. It is 70 right now, as I said, getting up to 80. It is right before lunchtime. You can see all the colors of the trees are really changing up now. I'd like to just sit out here for a bit. Really pretty. But let's do outfit of the day. I have on a I guess I feel like this is still probably more summer outfit just because it's going to be so warm out today. But I have cut from the cloth cutoffs from a Wantable, a Dear John top, which I just got recently from a Wantable. I think this was like fall transition. Yes, I pulled out the Tory Burches again and put on the gold. I have a Loft belt on, Ana Luisa necklace, my bracelet stack, and hoop earrings. And that is my outfit today. How is everybody else doing? What's the weather like for you? Well, I guess I got to get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. Beautiful day out again. It's a little windier today. It's going to get up to 73. It's 68 now. Sun is shining and the sky is blue. Let's see, my front door fashion posted today. Such a fun collection. Really enjoyed it. I did keep a few things. I kept the Beatles tee because I thought this would go with the pink vegan leather jacket I kept last year. You may remember she sent it with a Willie Nelson tee I didn't keep, I think it was. So I thought this one might be a cute alternative. Not a perfect match to the pink, but I think it goes. I kept the little t-shirt here and the jeans. I kind of enjoyed these. And I kept this outfit. So the vegan leather pant and this top. And that's what I kept. It was such a fun collection. I think Rachel always does such a great job. She did say she had a wonderful time with her wedding and her honeymoon. So happy she's back now. She is back. And for the day today, I'm in a Cabi outfit. I have on a Cabi top, Cabi pants, Cabi jacket for when it's cool, which I left and need to show it to you here in the try on full view. And let's see, for shoes, how awesome are these? They're by Dolce Vita. I love them. And I just have on, let's see, big gold hoops and my bracelet stack for jewelry. And that is my outfit today. Hope your week is going awesome, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it's Thursday, and I decided to grab Harv, who was out here, and have him do a version of his happy dance, although we can't do too much because he's already antsy to leave. But isn't he the cutest? Oh, Harv, you're so cute. You're such a cutie. Nobody was out here, so I thought he might be willing to do a close-up for you all. Yep, we made it to Thursday. This one has been a really long week for me. But it's another beautiful day, cooler today. It's 48 right now. It's up to 59. The sun is very, very warm. I love it. And Harvey's afraid I'm going to pick him up again. He's leaving. Oh, well, at least I got to share him. I think it's going to get cooler towards the weekend, but stay in that 50-ish range, so it won't be too terrible. For outfit of the day today, I chose my Armoire denim that are Hudson. I'm liking these a lot. And my pasty jacket from Paige, also from my latest Armoire. I love the pasty jacket. I have it in tan. I think I have it in green. This is like such a great basic jacket. Threw on an Evereve tank underneath here since it's not too terribly cold. The wind's not blowing or anything, so it feels nice. Got this one in a Trendsend. And then my lucky shoes you guys saw last week already. And I just have on my bracelet stack and gold hoops. And that's it for this week. Or that is it for today. Can you tell I'm ready for this week to be over? That is it for today. We'll be back tomorrow with Happy Dance. Hey everybody, guess what day it is? It's a Happy Friday. Or Happy Dance Friday, right? Wyatt and I made it to Friday, and Wyatt's just handing out kisses left and right, aren't you? He wants to go chase some bugs, so we'll let him go do that. But we made it. We made it. All right, go ahead, go play. It is another gorgeous day. It's a little cooler today. It is actually 64, high of 66. The wind goes from being nice when the sun's out, a little bit chillier when it's not out. When it goes down, the temperatures plummet. But it's a really, really pretty day outside. You can see all the fun colors. They just continue to really pop. I love this tree over here. There we go. Which that one? All right. So for outfit of the day today, I chose Mother Denim from a Nordstrom haul. A Z Supply tee. This is just a short sleeve t-shirt. Threw on this blazer or this moto jacket because it was chilly this morning, and I'm headed out with my family to celebrate my husband's birthday. So I threw this on because I know tonight it's going to be cool. This one is from Steve Madden, and I got it in a Wantable, and it's one of my very favorites. I liked it so much that when they sent me the light green, minty green colored one, I kept it too. So you'll probably see that coming soon. For shoes, in my great closet clean out, I found these amazing Sam Edelman shoes that I don't think I had yet a chance to wear. I had to have gotten them last year, and they are just adorable, and I like the little flat, comfortable for everything I need to do today. For jewelry, I have on Rocks Box earrings, an Ana Luisa necklace, my normal bracelet stack, which you're not seeing all that well, with my jacket, and that's my outfit. All right, I hope you guys have some peace and tranquility this weekend as we head into some hopefully off time for everybody, and I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. I am up early, still dark outside, 48 degrees, getting up to 59 today, and it is going to get some sun. Only Harvey's joining me. I don't know if you can see him there peeking around the corner. And my Wantable posted today. It was a good one, but they sent me the Liverpool jacket I already kept from a JB Stylebox. It was still a great jacket. I love it. I'm glad I already have it. So I didn't need to keep that one. And then they sent me that really nice white Z Supply top, but there was a mark on it, so I had to send that one back. And so it didn't really leave me with 5 good choices. So instead I went with the hidden denim and that really cute Z Supply sweatshirt. I thought that would be a nice oversized, warm, cozy as we head into fall and winter. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I chose an Evereve or Trendsend outfit. So everything came in a Trendsend over the course of years at this point. These are all pieces that I picked from a Trendsend. I have on Good American denim. These are the good legs. I got these recently. I have on a t-shirt from Chaser. I love this Grateful Dead tee. This one is really old, back when Emma was my stylist, and she actually had somebody filling in for her, and her name was Simone, and she picked this. Really enjoy this. Then paired it with a Z Supply jacket I just got in a recent Trendsend, with a Dylan vest over top because I know it's chilly out this morning. This one is really old as well. I would say probably 3 or 4 years old, but it is such a nice, warm, cozy, and it has that extra like sweatshirty material on the inside. It just feels amazing on. And then my shoes are also a Trendsend. I just got these recently. You may remember them. They are Vince Camuto. I love this little Western inspired toe and details. For jewelry, I didn't put a lot on. I have on the gold hoops you've seen me in a bit and my bracelet stack, and I'm ready to go. I will list all my outfits for this week down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll share all my boxes with you. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite was. So please comment down below, hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye everybody.